I'm here for a reason. The Jeep is now totally out of my hands. It's sold, it's gone. I went through all your comments. There are about 203 comments under the video that I posted up just a few days back. It made me realize a lot of things. I never realized how many of you guys did I make an impact on. Now, the title of this video wasn't about me, not me at all. It's about an individual that actually messaged me this morning and told me that I have touched their life in a very, very special way. Now, if you guys recall, pretty recently I decked up my Jeep into a Jurassic Park themed Jeep. With that, I didn't just stop there, but I wanted to share this theme or excitement or idea with everybody. So what I did was I did a giveaway, and that was with some Jurassic Park decals, and one of the winners actually got back to me today and sent me a photograph on Facebook, and share that with you right over here. The boy on the left, he's a special kid, and his name is Landon. This kid has been a fan of mine. The family, the friends, they've been following me on Instagram and on YouTube. He has a brain tumor, and it meant everything for him to win this Jurassic Park decal, and to see the kid smile showing off this decal that he won from me. I mean, right now we're talking about touching people's lives here, right? Like, where you guys got inspired to do a Jeep build, to buy a Jeep, even for those that don't even own Jeeps, to just come on this channel and start dreaming about their future Jeep that they want to get and how they want to build it, get some ideas, to seeing this kid. So what it is because of his love for Jeep, what they do is, I mean, they have a Jeep in their family. They have a toy Jeep for this kid, and so they go around and they have Jeep meets, and they try to fund money as well as to raise awareness of the type of brain tumor he has. I think it's a fantastic idea, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have all the details below the video, an Instagram page and a Facebook page where you can go on and support this cause. Now, all the concern and love that you showed towards me, because I had to sell the Jeep, and you know, the financial situation that I'm in currently almost feels like nothing right now, to be quite honest with you. When I see this young boy struggling right now, I'm not sure how much time he has, to be quite honest. The news just came to me today, and I wanted to quickly make this video to say, you know what, this attention that you've given me right now, let's transfer it to this boy right now, and let's give him some support. I wish I could continue giving this boy his smile, right? If Jeep is what's keeping him happy right now, and that's his craze, I can relate. And I'm sure, you know, he can still continue being happy at the Jeep meets and organizations that they host. But knowing that this kid was also following my channel and seeing this Jeep build expand, I want to see you continue to smile. This video was not easy for me to make. I guess I'll just end it here, and I wish this young gentleman a speedy recovery. And I'm ever so glad that you won those Jeep decals. There's always bigger problems out there, and people suffering with bigger things. So I want to thank each and every one of you guys that has actually stopped by and sent these warm, heartfelt messages to me on YouTube and on Instagram. A bunch of inbox messages that I've tried to reply to as well. But I realized today that there are other people out there that need it more. here's a cheap wave to all of you guys. And keep doing what you do, and I'll try to be back with some other stuff. But first and foremost, do visit this guy's Instagram page and Facebook page and give them some support to this lovely kid. And I wish you all the best and a speedy recovery. And until next time, cheap, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.